Example, solve y equal to 5x, y equal to 5x. Note here, assume solve means to differentiate in this chapter. So we have to differentiate this. So differentiating this function, that is y equal to 5x with respect to x. So according to the rule of KU, we will differentiate when we will differentiate, the constant term will come out like this. This k will be out. So ddx of u. Thus, on the basis of this rule, we will find the differentiation of 5x. So ddf of y hence ddx of y equal to ddx of 5x. Since y equal to 5x, so 5 will come out and ddx of x. So that will be 1 clearly. 5 into 1, that will be 5. Since ddx of x is 1. So in this way we have find the answer 5. Now moving to the next question. Differentiate y equal to 5x square. This is the same question as earlier. This is constant k. So firstly we will take it outside. So and then differentiate x square. So ddx of x square. So that will be 2x. See it. This 5 is coming out because it is constant, and this is. Now we will differentiate this just like a ddx of x power n, where n is 2. So this 2 will come out and x will be 2 minus 1, that is x. So 2x. So 5, this 2 will come out. So x power 2 minus 1 and ddx of x. So that will be 5, that will be 10 x power 1. This is 1 and this is 1. So finally 10x will be the answer. This is based on this formula rule that I have told you just earlier. One thing you should note, that if here is t, means in place of x, suppose that here is t, then what will you write? Then you will write like this, and differentiating like this, and here will be t, and here will be also t. So but as far here is concerned, here is x, so everywhere will be x, and ddx of x will be always 1. If you find ddt of t, means ddt of t, that will be 1, means differentiating t with respect to t, that will be 1. Differentiating x with respect to s, that is ddx of x will be 1. So differentiating u with respect to u, that is ddu, is a ddu of u, that will be 1. So like this. Now we will move to the next question, that is differentiate 5x 5. Same question as it earlier, only in place of 2 5 is given. In this way we got the answer 25x power 4. Now we will proceed ahead, that is for next question. So the question is differentiate y equal to 1 by 2 x raised to power 1 by 2. Differentiate it. So this is the same questions just like earlier. So here is coefficient constant term is 1 by 2, so we will firstly take it out, ddx of y. So 1 by 2 is out. Firstly we will write like this. I am doing here step by step so that you could get understand. So here 1 by 2 will be out. Now this will differentiate under the rule of ddx of x power n, where n is 1 by 2. So just differentiating it, 1 by 2 will be out, that is n x n minus 1, and n is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 minus 1. So after solving 1 by 2, 1 by 2, write 1 by 2 and x minus 1 by 2 after subtracting, here is 1. So finally answer will be 1 by 4 x minus 1 by 2, which can be written as 1 by 4 under root x. That is, note when this is in numerator, x raised to power minus 1 by 2 is in numerator. When you will come this, or when you will bring this in denominator, then it will become positive. That here is minus, in numerator it is minus. When this system is coming in denominator, then that is being positive. So that is 1 by 4 under root x. That is the final answer. So now proceed to the next question related with differentiation. So the question is like this. One by 8 into x raised to power 25. So firstly we will rewrite the question and differentiating with respect to x, because this is a function of x. Just doing the previous So the final answer will be like this. Note here you can also write that ddx of x, but now you will be solely know that ddx of x is 1, so that's why I have not written. This is your choice, either you can write ddx of x or not write, that is your choice. So if you now still so far you have got so much idea that whether you have to write or not, since now you have solved so many questions, so you need not to write ddx of x because you have practice done so far, so just leave it. So that is the answer. Now moving to the next question. As much as question you will solve, you will get better confidence over the calculus. But calculus is the things, if you make the practice less, so you will short circuit as far command is concerned over the calculus. Generally formula used in this concept, that is y equal to this, means y equal to x power n when there is function y equal to y x power n types. Here should be x power n, that is n is not written, that is slipped here, so you should understand that y equal to x power n, and when you will differentiate you will get like this. So these questions and previous questions were based on this formula mainly. And this formula is also used along with, in some question this formula also used. This is the constant you will take outside, so ddx of x, that will be finally 1. Or this may be just like dd y equal to ku, then they will write like this. So in some question this formula, and in some question this formula, and in some question both this and this formula are used. So just see it, and if you are not getting yet now the better idea over the calculus as far as question based on this formula is concerned, so you should go to some previous question and just revise, resume, so that you could get better understand. Do it many times and you will get definitely understand, because step by step method will provided to you, will given to you, so and you should definitely get understood, and just make a practice and you will get. Thanks.